7 vitamins to shrink an enlarged prostate. Are you tired of those late-night trips to the bathroom? Struggling with an enlarged prostate doesn't have to be a part of your everyday life. What if I told you there are natural ways to support your prostate health, right from your kitchen? Yes. Stay tuned as we uncover the 7 essential vitamins that could help shrink an enlarged prostate and improve your quality of life. Before starting the video, we need to know that what is an enlarged prostate? An enlarged prostate, also known as benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, is a condition where the prostate gland grows larger than its normal size. The prostate is a small gland located just below the bladder and surrounds the urethra, which is the tube that carries urine from the bladder out of the body. As the prostate enlarges, it can squeeze the urethra, causing urinary problems such as 1. Frequent urination, especially at night. 2. Difficulty starting urination. 3. Weak urine flow. 4. The feeling of incomplete bladder emptying. BPH is not cancerous and is common in men as they age, particularly after the age of 50. So there is nothing to fear. We uncover the 7 essential vitamins that could help shrink an enlarged prostate and improve your quality of life. If you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's get started without further delay. Number 7 on our list is the zinc. Did you know that zinc is not only essential for reducing an enlarged prostate, but also offers a wide range of health benefits? This powerful mineral helps regulate hormones by preventing the excessive conversion of testosterone into dihydrotestosterone, DHT, a hormone linked to prostate growth. By keeping DHT levels in check, zinc can ease the symptoms of benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, such as frequent trips to the bathroom and weak urine flow. But that's not all. Zinc also plays a key role in strengthening the immune system, speeding up wound healing, and improving skin health. It even supports cognitive function and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Now you have a question in your mind: which foods have zinc? Foods rich in zinc include oysters, pumpkin seeds, cashews, and legumes. Incorporating these into your diet or taking zinc supplements can be an effective way to naturally support prostate health and improve urinary function. Next one is vitamin D. Vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin, is more than just essential for bone health. It plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy prostate. Research has shown that men with higher levels of vitamin D are less likely to experience prostate enlargement, known as benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. Vitamin D helps regulate cell growth and reduces inflammation in the prostate, which can minimize the risk of an enlarged prostate and relieve common symptoms like frequent urination and weak urine flow. The best way to increase your vitamin D levels is through regular exposure to sunlight. Additionally, incorporating foods rich in vitamin D, such as salmon, eggs, and fortified dairy products, can give your prostate the boost it needs. By ensuring you have adequate vitamin D, you can take a proactive step toward protecting your prostate and supporting long-term health naturally. 5 on our list is the vitamin B6. If you're looking for a natural way to support your prostate health, vitamin B6 might just be the answer. This essential vitamin plays a crucial role in regulating hormone levels, which is key in managing an enlarged prostate or benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. How does it work? Vitamin B6 helps balance testosterone levels, which can reduce the production of dihydrotestosterone, DHT, a hormone that's linked to prostate growth. By keeping DHT in check, vitamin B6 can help slow down the enlargement of the prostate and relieve uncomfortable symptoms like frequent urination and weak urine flow. You can easily boost your vitamin B6 intake through foods like chicken, fish, potatoes, and leafy greens. Including this vitamin in your diet is a simple and effective way to support your prostate health naturally. So, don't wait. Start giving your prostate the care it deserves with vitamin B6 today. Number 4 on our list is the selenium. Looking for a secret weapon to protect your prostate? Look no further than selenium, a trace mineral that plays a major role in keeping your prostate healthy and strong. While it may not get as much attention as other nutrients, selenium is a potent antioxidant that fights inflammation and protects your prostate from damage caused by oxidative stress, which is often linked to benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, and prostate cancer. What makes selenium truly special is its ability to support your body's natural defenses, helping to reduce prostate enlargement and potentially lower the risk of more serious conditions. Incorporating selenium into your diet is easy and delicious. Just 2 Brazil nuts a day can meet your daily needs, and other great sources include tuna, eggs, and whole grains. Make selenium your prostate's best friend and keep your prostate in top shape naturally. Number 3. Vitamin C. Did you know that vitamin C can be a game changer for your prostate health? Known for its powerful antioxidant properties, vitamin C helps protect prostate cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which contribute to benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. This means it can help reduce prostate enlargement and improve symptoms like frequent urination and discomfort. Vitamin C also supports the immune system, boosts collagen production for healthier skin, and enhances iron absorption, making it an all-around health booster. In addition to its antioxidant power, vitamin C can also promote healthy circulation, which is vital for overall prostate function. You can easily get more vitamin C by adding citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits to your diet, along with other rich sources like strawberries, bell peppers, and broccoli. Incorporating vitamin C into your daily routine is a simple and natural way to support prostate health and overall wellness. Number 2. Lycopene. Looking for a natural way to support prostate health? Lycopene is the answer. This potent antioxidant, found in vibrant red fruits like tomatoes, watermelon, and pink grapefruit, is a game changer when it comes to shrinking an enlarged prostate. Lycopene helps combat oxidative stress and inflammation, 2 major contributors to benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. But what makes lycopene so powerful? It doesn't just protect your prostate. It actively works to slow down abnormal cell growth, potentially reducing the size of an enlarged prostate. Studies even show that men who regularly consume lycopene-rich foods are less likely to face prostate issues. To maximize your lycopene intake, cook your tomatoes. Cooking boosts lycopene's absorption, making it easier for your body to reap the benefits. So, enjoy some tomato soup, pasta sauce, or salsa and give your prostate the ultimate natural support. Finally, we have vitamin E. Want to supercharge your prostate health? Look no further than vitamin E, your body's natural defense against prostate enlargement. This powerful antioxidant works like a shield, protecting your prostate cells from damage caused by oxidative stress and inflammation, 2 of the main culprits behind benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. Vitamin E doesn't just reduce inflammation. It actively supports the repair of damaged tissues and boosts your immune system, helping your body fight back against prostate issues. The best part? You can find vitamin E in delicious foods like almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, and avocados, making it easy to work into your daily routine. By loading up on vitamin E-rich foods, you're not only giving your prostate the protection it needs, but you're also promoting better overall health. So, take charge of your well-being and let vitamin E be the ultimate guardian of your prostate. And there you have it, 7 vitamin-rich foods that can help shrink an enlarged prostate naturally. By incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into your daily diet, you're not only supporting your prostate health but improving your overall well-being. Don't forget, consistency is key. Along with these foods, regular exercise and proper hydration are also essential for keeping your prostate in check. Thanks for watching.